To perform this trick, you just have to follow 6 steps. In the first step, we are going to wrap the rope across our hand. To do that, we start with the basic jump, swing the rope to the right side, and then wrap the rope across our hand. Let me show you how it looks. We'll start with the basic jump, swing to the right side, and wrap it across our hand. In the second step, we are going to move our right hand to the left side and unwrap the rope like this. And let me show you how it looks in action. We'll start with the basic jump, wrap it, and unwrap it. Now in the third step, while unwrapping the rope, we are going to move our left hand on top of our right hand and make a cross. Let me show you how it looks in action. We'll start with the basic jump, wrap the rope, unwrap the rope, and then just move our left hand like this and make a cross. And practice these 3 steps until unless you get the hang of it, because after that you just have to learn to make a simple crisscross. And in the fourth step, we are going to add a jump, and let me show you how it looks till now. Let's start with the basic jump, wrap, unwrap, cross, and jump. After adding a jump in the fourth step, you just have to uncross your hands in the fifth step, and finally in the sixth step you just have to jump again. Let me show you how the complete jump rope tricks look. We'll start again with the basic jump, wrap the rope, unwrap the rope, cross and uncross. And that's how we do wrap cross trick. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find it useful. I'll see you in the next video.